Welcome to SnapComms, your internal communications solution. With a desktop ticker like this one, you can scroll your company news, important updates, or other messages across any employee's screen, or invite your employees to click on your headline for more information. You can even have your ticker keep coming back until they click on it, so you can be sure they haven't missed anything. To get started, just log into your Content Manager. Click on our logo to reach the dashboard, and then click Create Content and choose a folder where you'd like to save your new message. Then select the black icon with 4 dots to create a desktop ticker. Be sure to give your message a meaningful name. When users click on their client program to open their message history, the messages they've received are identified by name, so they can find the one they want and read it again. And when you open your content folders on the left, the messages you've created are also identified by name, so you can find the message you want and make any changes, or just open the menu and publish that message again. Next, choose a design template for your ticker and for your main message, if any. You can use one of our standard color templates, or we can create custom templates just for you with your company's branding. Make your selection and then click Create. By default, your ticker will scroll a single headline. If you like, you can scroll many headlines in a single ticker. We'll show you how in another tutorial. Now, write the headline you'd like to scroll and use the toolbar to format it. For instance, you might highlight some text and underline it, or highlight your whole message and change the font. You can also upload an image, which will scroll at the beginning of your message as an extra visual cue. Just remember, your image will be scaled down to 24 pixels high, so you might want to choose a wide image. There are 3 main options for your ticker. You can simply scroll your headline across the ticker. You can add a link. Just enter the URL for any page on your intranet or on the web, starting with a prefix like HTTP. The user will click on your ticker to visit that page. Or you can create a matching message window. The user will click on your headline to read it. Just enter a title, write your message, and again, use the toolbar to format it. For instance, you might highlight some text and make it bold, change the font, change the color, and so on. You can even add a link or an image. By default, your desktop ticker will expand across the user's screen. Your headline will scroll 3 times, and then the ticker will disappear. But you can customize this behavior at the bottom. For instance, would you like to add a special icon to mark a new headline the first time it appears? When the ticker finishes scrolling, would you like it to shrink down to a stub or disappear entirely? Should it start out as a stub and wait until the user clicks on it to begin scrolling? When a user closes the ticker, should it go away for good or keep coming back until they click on it? And finally, when they do click on it, should the ticker close or should it keep on scrolling? When you're done, click Save at the bottom. If you created a message window along with your ticker, you can also click Preview to see what it looks like. Now, work your way across the tabs at the top. By default, your message will be delivered using the SnapComms client program on each user's PC. But if you like, you can send push notifications to their mobile devices as well. And you can also choose when this message should be delivered, which users or groups should receive it, and more. Just remember to click the Save button at the bottom of each tab. We explore each of these tabs in detail in our other tutorials. You can also set advanced options. For instance, would you like your headline to scroll more than 3 times before it stops? Keep scrolling until the user clicks on it, or scroll continuously even after they click. How fast would you like it to scroll? If the ticker finishes scrolling before the user clicks on it, how many times should it reappear and how often? And so on. For best practices, please use the default settings on this page. And again, be sure to save any changes. When you're ready, move on to the Publish tab. Review your settings, and if everything looks right, click Publish. At the date and time you selected, your message will be delivered to the users you chose. Depending on your settings, the ticker will open on their screen and your message will start to scroll. In this example, the user can click the X to shrink the ticker to a stub, click the stub to restart the ticker, and click on the headline to read the full message. Thanks for watching. To learn more, please visit www.snapcomms.com. SnapComms. Get employee attention.